Hey, this is Leela. I just need a few bucks to chip in for AI to rebuild LeelaMaps, the map notes platform, where you can share anything to anyone. And so you can see hopefully some video will pop up here of what it already has been used for. This old version was a WordPress version. I've already used AI to develop features for that one, but it's nice to do just a complete rebuild with AI. So yeah, just a few bucks would be nice. Thanks. Hi, I'm going to plant one wildflower seed for each and every like, follow, or share that this video receives, starting with the purple coneflower, native to Florida, where I am right now. Okay. Wildflower seeds can be planted fairly shallowly, but more importantly, make sure it's in an area that hasn't received any mowing. Let's do it. Together, we can make a difference. Would you rather the White House be a greenhouse? Join the garden party where we will make hyper-fertile soil with charcoal that we break down into our compost to grow lots and lots of gigantic, amazing, healthy plants. I'll show you how. I map all sorts of things, including resources for growing your own produce. Enjoy!